Every weft needs to be sealed. Sealed with the glue. This ensures that no hair is going to be shed from the weft. After a few washings, you would need to seal with the glue again. So there are a lot of questions people ask me, why hair sheds, after a few washings. Well, glue goes away after a few washings, so you need to be sealing your hair from several washings. It's not a hard job, it's just, get the glue, and then you would need just like this, simple glue with a with such thing where you can just pour the glue right onto the hair weft. This glue is colorless, so it doesn't have any smell as well. Sometimes some glues could be very thick, they could be very heavy, and so in that case you could just add some alcohol, and then you got it. It will pour much easier, so it won't be that much thick. Use alcohol, that helps a lot. So you see, I've gone through now 2 layers of glue, but I feel I would need probably one more layer of glue over the weft, and then that's it. Usually 3 layers of glue on your weft should be good. And then this weft is good for several wearings, several washings. I would say like maybe at least 5 washings. So yeah, this is my advice. If you think your hair is shedding from your weft, it's not because it's been sewn badly. Every hair is gonna shed, sometime, because the thread is gonna go, it's gonna get loosened. So you can't make it, tighter. The thread is thread, it's done. It's just, it's how it is. I've been wefting hair for last 10 plus years, and hair usually once you go with adhesive on the weft, that's it. It's just stuck there. Hair does not shed. So you need to keep in mind, after few washings you would need to seal your hair with just any glue, without any smell, just a colorless glue. That's it. Thank you so much.